Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting sources, email accounts, phone backups, or address books. Sign into Gmail and open Google Contacts. Once there, choose Import. Export each external account as CSV or vCard so fields map cleanly. Make sure names and primary emails are present. If not, edit a sample CSV row so Gmail reads headers properly. This step prevents duplicates and lost fields later, so take 2 minutes to verify column names and remove blank or malformed entries before proceeding. Now import each prepared file into Google Contacts one at a time. This gives you control and clearer merge prompts. Once a file uploads, Gmail may suggest duplicates, accept merge when contacts match, and review suggested merges for accuracy. For custom fields like company or notes, edit one contact to confirm mapping, then bulk edit where needed. If many variations exist, use labels to group newly imported sets so you can revert or retarget merges easily. This minimizes accidental overwrites and keeps your address book. Finish by syncing devices. Enable Contacts Sync in Google account settings on phones and in any desktop clients. Create labels for groups you want to keep separate and move contacts into them. This helps visibility across apps. Make sure changes propagate. Open Gmail contacts on another device to confirm. If contacts are missing or wrong, re-export the original source, check CSV headers for exact field names, then re-import into a test label. That single troubleshooting action resolves most sync or mapping errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.